one day somebody does something unspeakable to someone else, to someone you hardly knew, and you do something about it because you can.
We find this story from ABC News. Grand jury indictment was unsealed Friday, charging a former Los Angeles police officer in the May 2015 shooting death of an unarmed homeless man in Venice, said the Los Angeles District Attorney's Office. Now, Clifford Proctor pleaded not guilty to a charge of second-degree murder, said the Los Angeles Times. Brendan Glenn, 29, was killed during a struggle with officers outside a bar where he had fought with a bouncer, and his name became a rallying cry against police shootings in Los Angeles. The office of current LA District Attorney Nathan Hochman said in a statement that the indictment comes after the previous District Attorney, George Gashon, re-examined 4 use of force cases involving law enforcement officers, including Proctor's case. Hochman, who ousted Gashon in November's election, will review the case and decide whether to proceed with the prosecution, said the statement. Gashon was about as useless as, Proctor's lawyer, Anthony Tony Garcia, questioned the timing of the charges and noted the prosecutors declined to charge his client in 2018, according to the Times. Now, in 2018, LA District Attorney Jackie Lacey declined to press charges, saying there was insufficient evidence to prove Proctor acted unlawfully when he used deadly force. Glenn was on his stomach and trying to push himself up when Proctor shot him in the back, according to police. Sounds like murder to me. He wasn't trying to take a gun from Proctor or his partner when he was shot. And Proctor's partner told investigators he didn't know why the officer opened fire, said police. Now, Proctor resigned from the Los Angeles Police Department in 2017. That's what you do when you're charged. You resign. The city paid $4 million to settle a wrongful death lawsuit that was brought by Glenn's relatives. Proctor, who's 60, remains in jail. His next court date is Monday, November 3rd. That's what you do when you're a cop and you're charged with something. You just resign. And they go, all right, good enough. Goodbye. Well, not now, because now they're charging him with second-degree murder. We'll see if it sticks. But it went through Lacey. It went through Gasson. And now Hochman is like, no. We're going to charge him. And Gasson, man, I don't know, I have to go back and look, but did he prosecute any bad cops? But yeah, this is another one where, and the guy's trying to push himself up and he's getting up. Ugh, he's not getting up now. Now he's being charged. But they said that both are black. I said, I don't know what that matters. I think the reason they say that is because it was a LAPD officer who shot a black man on the ground. And the Rodney King thing. So, lost my train of thought. I just watched a documentary on George Carlin, and he criticized those quotation people, his quotes people. I just lost my train of thought. But, after Rodney King and all that, now anytime an LAPD officer does anything, they have to point out, it was a black cop. It wasn't a white cop. But now he's being charged. Will he see a day in prison? Who knows?